Alright guys, you see that sign? That's right, I'm going back to Six Flags. But enough chit-chatting and let's go! So I just pulled up to the front entrance now and they actually stopped us over here. I'm not sure if it's because of the snow or what, but normally we stop by the ticketing booth. And right now it's 12:27 right now, so I don't know, we'll see what happens. And just a few minutes later, we are finally on our way. Let's go. I don't know if you guys can see that in the mirror, but the whole middle part of the parking section over here is blocked off. It's still snow on the ground. So this middle toll booth is closed. Just pulling in now, and shout out to the lady at the parking booth. That's probably the nicest lady I ever met here at Six Flags, telling us to be careful and how they put salt down and everything. But yeah, this is a snowy parking lot. I'm gonna park over here just because of the snow. Looks like it's more clear over here. So trying a new parking space out. I haven't parked here in like almost 2 years. But yeah, as you can see, just arriving now. Alright, about to go in now. I have my winter hat. I got a hoodie on, a t-shirt, some gloves right here, and of course, in the back over there, I have a big heavy jacket. So I came better prepared this time. It's supposed to be in the high 20s, so it's going to be really cool. It's like literally a winter wonderland in here. And they actually told us that some rides are down. Not sure which ones, but I'm sure I'll find out. Hopefully it's not Nitro. It actually looks so much better with snow on the ground next to it. I'm really digging it. Looks nice. I'm guessing they're going to be trying to pull more snow out. Of course, employees hard at work trying to shovel all the snow. We got the ice out. It's kind of slippery, so you just gotta be careful. Oh, I'm really digging the snow. It makes all the Christmas decorations stand out a lot more. Look at that. I think I'm heading towards Nitro. Hopefully it's open. Still not sure which rides are closed. They didn't tell us which ones. Like I said, that some are closed. So it says Deja Vu is temporarily closed. People are shoveling, so I don't know if it's going to open later on. Temporarily means maybe for a few hours, maybe for a week. Who knows? It looks like Batman's not closed since that's running. Maybe I'll go there first. Yeah, let's do it. First up's gonna be Batman. So it looks like Dark Knight's the only one that's open right now. They're testing Batman, but it's still blocked off, so yes, first ride up Dark Knight. So that was a fail. Still closed. And as you said that a lot of the rides are frozen. So probably not all of them will open up park opening. Looks like Nitro is closed. I think I picked the wrong day to come here today. But might as well grab some food. When I'm hungry and have to kill time somehow. Hopefully the Nitro and everything else opens up shortly. Skyride's going. I haven't seen Joker test yet. I do see Harley Quinn. So I don't know if the coasters are closed or what, but Blackbeard just got a rollback. First time I've ever seen that. Let's see if I get it in action. It rolls right back. I just heard the right op say to start smoking again. Stop. So maybe that's what's going on. So since the Skyride's the only thing open, that's gonna be the first ride of the day, it looks like. The wrong day, guys, to come here. All snow and ice over here. So I'm taking the long way to the Skyride. So I did see Skull Mountain is open. So probably just do a round trip on the Skyway and then I'll probably head over there. By that time, hopefully they open Batman's line. It looks like Harley Quinn's still rolling back. Lantern's testing. Maybe it's open. I was never so excited to see that. Just go off the Skyway. It's no longer a one-way. It's a round trip now, I guess because of the snow. But I saw Batman running and Skull Mountain's open, so I'm in line for that. Just had a lights on ride on Skull Mountain. We got row 13, so I sat on the second to the back row. You get whipped. Yeah, Batman's open, so I'm doing that. And I see Nitro testing, which is a good sign. So I'm gonna go head there next. Let's see if that's open. It's usually cleared. Some of the pathways are still covered in snow, or it's like really slippery. Batman snow rides are in. Not even joking, that's probably one of the best rides I ever had on Batman. Snow made it 10 times better. It's running very smooth. Just be a little more clear on this side over here by Superman and Green Lantern. That's where I'm heading to right now. And they still have some of the games still open. It looks like the top spin's closed. There's the aftermath of the snowstorm in this area. So I see a sign for Superman that it's closed. And let's see Green Lantern's status. I saw Nitro testing, but Nitro's also still closed. I think Green Lantern's open, I want to say. And Green Lantern's also closed. Was testing before. So maybe the rides are actually frozen. Not sure. Went to my car to chill out because it's cold, so Nitro's open. So I decided to head back in the park. So this is the 5-minute wait. Another great ride on Nitro. The snow makes it 10 times better. We're heading over to Jersey Devil, see how it looks. No, nothing changed from last time, but probably get some pretty cool shots of all the snow on the ground. It's a little slippery. Snow's a little rough. You have the 5-layer cake on the holiday menu, but I decided to get the triple chocolate cake or whatever it's called. So good. You're at Granny's. I think this is different. We're doing boarding passes next season. Maybe Six Flags lines preparing earlier, hitting the boarding pass system for next year, so lines aren't as crowded. So yeah, I didn't pay attention to other coasters to see if they had that sign, but I did notice it on Nitro. And it looks like the Joker finally opened up. It's about 4:30 now, and Superman and Green Lantern are still closed. So I guess maybe I'll hop on this. It's been a while since I've been on Joker. And there should be no line. So I kind of forgot. I left my wallet in my car. So I don't have money for a locker. So I guess no Joker for me today. Finally got Harley Quinn up and running. Now since it's almost 5 o'clock, you can see the lights better. My God, that looks good with all the snow. Especially this area. So I definitely can't wait till it gets a little more darker out so the lights stand out more. A little look at Wonder Woman when it gets a little darker out. Well, it was open. Now it looks like it's down for minor technical difficulties, I'm guessing. It looks like Cyborg is testing. Move a little closer to see if we could see anything. Not that I care, but just a little curious. It's just ending its cycle. I will give it credit, it does have a good lighting package. But the ride sucks. Was in line for Dark Knight. Next in line broke down. Next in line for Batman just broke down. So that might be a sign for me to get out of here. A lot of rides are closed, but still had fun. Found everything I wanted to. But yeah, catch you guys next video. Peace out.